you up in a meat grinder, and the only thing that comes out that's left of you is your eyeball? Probably dead. I'm not gonna put you into a meat grinder. It wasn't that, it wasn't an instant kill move.
Wait, who broke the whole studio? Also, who added the moaning sound effect? Oh, you're so dead when I get you. Holy shit, is the cameraman dead? Damn, we need a new cameraman, or else we can't continue the video.
I mean, the viewers only came for the meme, so there is no point in continuing the video.
Good point, but how are we still being filmed?
I think Thon is filming us.
Shut the f*** up.